Hello traders, welcome to your channel and another weekly top down analysis video on the gold and GJ. So as usual, we will start our analysis with the monthly time frame, and then we will go down to lower time frames, weekly, daily, 4-hour and 30 minutes time frame. On the 30-minute time frame, we will also talk about some intraday and scalping setups as well. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So right now we are on the gold monthly time frame, and as we can see, we had a resistance right here. So we can see resistance, 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 resistance. Price broke the resistance, created a new high. So because the price is bullish and making higher highs and higher lows, and we have created a new high. So right now there is a very high probability price may come down on the monthly time frame to form support and continue this bullish momentum to the upside, right? So now let's go to a weekly time frame to find exactly what is happening on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame as well, as we can see, the price is bullish because we are making higher highs and higher lows. So we created a high, we created a higher low. Price broke the previous resistance, created a new high, and right now we can see there is a very high probability price may come down for a pullback and support formation before continue going up with this bullish momentum. So now if we get another weekly candle close above this resistance, also there is a very high probability we may continue going up without making a pullback. Now on the daily time frame, we can see that the price is bullish as well because we are making higher highs and higher lows. So we created a high, we created a higher low, we created another higher high, and then the price came down for the pullback. And right now there is a very high probability we can continue going up with the bullish momentum. If we look more closely and mark our support and resistance, then we can see that we have a support right here and we have a resistance right here. Also, there is another support close by, which is right here. So now, because we already have a bullish candle closure and forms a support in the uptrend, so now also there is a very high probability price may come up and retest this high created by the price. Also, if we get a daily candle close below this support, we already have clean range on the left hand side, so there is a very high probability may come down to retest the next support, which is right here, and basically continue this bearish pullback to the downside. So now let's go to 4-hour time frame to see exactly what is happening on the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, if we mark our support and resistance, we can see that we have a resistance right here and we have a support right here, and the next support is right here, and the next resistance is right here. So now we can see that the price was bullish. We basically made these highs, and after that we came down and forms a resistance. Price made a higher low, and after that we broke this high, created another higher high. So right now we are at this previous support area. If we get a strong bullish candle closure here, then there is a very high probability we may continue up and retest this high. Also above this resistance, we already have clean range on the left hand side. So if we get a 4-hour candle close above this resistance, there is a very high probability price is going to go to the next resistance, which is right here. And below this support, we know that the next support is right here. So if we get a 4-hour candle close below the support, there is a very high probability price is going to go to the next support, which is right here. And if we break this support, we will go to the next support, which is right here. So that is something on the 4-hour time frame. Now let's see what is happening on the 30-minute time frame. On the 30-minute time frame as well, we are bullish as we are making higher highs and higher lows. So we created a high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and we created another higher high and higher low. So right now we have this resistance and we have this support. So now price already created a high, and right now if we get a 30-minute candle close above this resistance, there is a very high probability price is going to go up to the next resistance, which is right here. Also, if we come down and form support in this previous support area, there is a very high probability we may come up to retest the resistance, which is right here. Also below this support, the next support is right here. So if we break the support, price is going to go down to the next support, which is right here. So that is something on the 30-minute time frame. Now let's go to our second pair, which is GJ. And the GJ, again, we are going to start our analysis with the monthly time frame. So now let's go to monthly time frame on the GJ, and as we can see on the monthly time frame, we are very much bullish because we are making high highs and higher lows. So we created a high, we created a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and we broke the previous resistance, created a new high. So there is a very high probability we may come down for a pullback, form support, and continue this bullish momentum to the upside. That is something on the monthly time frame. Now let's go to weekly time frame to find out exactly what is happening on the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame is also very much bullish because we are making higher highs and higher lows. As we can see here, we created a high, price came down, created a higher low, we broke the previous high, created a new higher high. So same like monthly time frame, there is a very high probability price may come down for a pullback and support formation before continue going up with this bullish momentum. That is something I see on the weekly time frame. Now let's go to daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we are bullish as well because we are having a bullish market structure here and making higher highs and higher lows. We created a high, we created a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. And again, same like the weekly and the monthly time frame, we broke the previous highs and resistance and created a new high. So again, there is a very high probability for a pullback and support formation before continue going up. So now let's go to 4-hour time frame to see exactly what is happening on the 4-hour time frame on the GJ. On the 4-hour time frame as well, we are bullish because we are making high. So we could see that this was a strong resistance area at one point of time, and now we have broke this resistance and have created a new high. So same like the daily, weekly, and monthly time frame, there is a very high probability on the 4-hour time frame for a pullback and support formation to continue going up with this bullish momentum. Right, so now let's go to 30-minute time frame to see exactly what is happening on the 30-minute time frame. On the 30-minute time frame, we are bullish as well because we are having a bullish market structure here, which making higher highs and higher lows. So we created a high, higher low, higher, higher low, higher, high, higher low, and we broke the previous high and have created a new high. So same like the 4-hour daily, weekly, and monthly time frame, we anticipate, or there is a very high probability for the price to come down for a pullback, form support, and continue going up with this bullish momentum. Accordingly, we can look for some bullish trading opportunity in this market. So that's it, guys. This was the analysis of the gold and GJ from the monthly to the 30-minute time frame. I hope you found some value from this video. See you in another video.